Are you ready to unlock the secrets of building lasting wealth and securing your financial future? Today, we unveil the Building Wealth Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to financial success. Are you ready to take charge and turn your life around with actionable strategies that will redefine your financial destiny? Look no further, and we promise if you actively follow each of these steps, you will revolutionize your financial life. Welcome to Money Mastery, where your path to financial freedom begins. Step 1. Set clear goals. Begin your journey by envisioning your financial destination. Define not just the general direction, but the specific milestones, whether it's purchasing a home, funding your children's education, or establishing your own business empire. These clear, tangible goals will serve as the guiding stars on your path to wealth. Step 2. Budget wisely. With your goals in mind, it's time to scrutinize your financial landscape. Develop a comprehensive budget, not just to cut costs, but to strategically allocate your resources, ensuring that every dollar serves a purpose on your journey to financial success. Track your income and expenses meticulously, identifying areas where you can save without compromising your long-term objectives, and redirect those savings toward avenues that will propel you closer to your financial goals. Step 3. Save strategically. Building wealth necessitates a safety net. Establish an emergency fund to weather unexpected expenses. Beyond that, strategically save for both short-term desires and long-term goals. Whether it's a dream vacation, a child's education, or your retirement, a disciplined saving strategy ensures your financial foundation remains strong. Additionally, consider incorporating a diversified investment approach into your saving strategy. Step 4. Invest for growth. Let's explore the dynamic world of investments. Beyond the basics, delve into research and diversify your portfolio. Seek out opportunities for growth, understanding that well-informed risks can lead to substantial rewards. The magic of compound interest is a wealth-building force, and smart investments are the catalyst. Remember, building wealth is not just about accumulating savings. It's about making your money work for you to achieve lasting financial success. Step 5. Manage debt. Debt can be a stumbling block on the path to prosperity. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, liberating resources that can be redirected toward wealth-building avenues. A meticulous debt management strategy not only frees up funds, but also enhances your financial freedom. Step 6. Nurture your career. Your career is not just a job. It's a cornerstone of your financial success. Invest in yourself through continuous education and professional development. Seek out new opportunities, negotiate for higher salaries, and actively pursue promotions. Your career isn't just a means to an end. It's a dynamic force driving your wealth-building journey. In addition, foster meaningful professional relationships and cultivate a strong network, as these connections can open doors to valuable opportunities, mentorship, and collaborative ventures, propelling your career and wealth-building journey forward. Step 7. Plan for retirement. While retirement may seem distant, early planning is the key to financial security. Take full advantage of employer-matching retirement plans, explore various retirement options, and consistently contribute to your retirement savings. Time is a potent ally in wealth building, so start planning for your golden years today. Step 8. Leverage additional income streams. Expand your wealth-building arsenal by exploring additional income streams, such as launching side businesses, venturing into strategic investments, or capitalizing on passive income opportunities like real estate or dividends. Diversifying your income sources not only adds resilience to your financial portfolio, but also enhances your capacity to weather economic fluctuations and seize new avenues for financial growth. Step 9. Continuously educate yourself. Stay ahead of the financial curve by continuously educating yourself. Stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and financial planning tools. Knowledge is a powerful tool in your wealth-building journey. Consider following blogs, newsletters, or learning about already financially successful individuals. Step 10. Give back and plan your legacy. As you accumulate wealth, consider how you can make a positive impact on others, whether through charitable endeavors, community projects, or supporting causes that resonate with your values. Not only does philanthropy contribute to the greater good, but it can also provide tax benefits, amplifying the impact of your generosity. Additionally, take time to meticulously plan your legacy, contemplating how you want your wealth to be distributed to future generations, ensuring that your financial success becomes a legacy of empowerment and prosperity. To summarize, here are all the steps we mentioned in this video. Step 1. Clear financial goals. Step 2. Track income and expenses meticulously. Step 3. Establish an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Step 4. Diversify investment portfolio for optimal risk management. Step 5. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts. Step 6. Invest in continuous education and professional growth. Step 7. Start saving early for retirement. Step 8. Explore side businesses, investments, and passive income opportunities. Step 9. Stay informed about market trends and financial planning tools. Step 10. Give back to the community for a positive impact. Now, as the video draws to a close, remember that these steps are not just theoretical concepts. So, are you ready to take charge? By setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, saving strategically, investing for growth, managing debt, nurturing your career, planning for retirement, leveraging additional income streams, continuously educating yourself, and giving back while planning your legacy, you're not just building wealth, you're crafting a legacy of financial empowerment. Thanks for joining us on this journey to financial mastery. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more in-depth financial tips and advice. Together, let's master the art of money and build the wealth you truly deserve. Until our next journey on the way to financial freedom, this is Money Mastery signing off.